Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2023 CFMoto Papio 125. This mini moto just arrived with only 1,000 miles on the odometer. Super cool, lightweight 125cc, fuel injected. I love this silver and red paint scheme. Beautiful condition, never been dropped. Come on by and make your mini moto dreams come true for just $29.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.